In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva and Facebook to bring your creative visions to life. This tutorial will walk you through the steps of designing a text graphic, using Canva, adjusting the design with a reshaping tool, and ultimately saving your creation for use on Facebook or any other platform. We'll start by heading over to Canva, which is a versatile and user-friendly online platform for graphic design. Once on the site, log into your Canva account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one using your email address or social media profile. Having access to Canva unlocks a wide array of design tools, perfect for both beginners and seasoned designers. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a new design. Here I've already prepared a text design on a canvas that's 1080 by 1080 pixels, the ideal resolution for social media posts. If you're starting from scratch, select a blank canvas or choose from one of the many templates Canva provides. Designing your text involves selecting a font style and size, and adding any additional elements you'd like to enhance the message. Now, with your design in place, head over to the Share button located at the top right corner of the Canva dashboard. This feature allows you to download your design or even share it directly on social platforms or with collaborators. For our project, we'll focus on downloading the design. Clicking on the download icon will provide you with file format options. For today, ensure you check the transparent background option. This setting is crucial if you plan to overlay your text on different images or backgrounds, as it removes the default white backdrop. Once the settings are to your liking, click the download button. This will save your design as a PNG file, retaining the high quality and flexibility you need for further edits or applications. With the download complete, direct your attention to the left side menu and select the Apps tab. Here you'll have access to a variety of apps that integrate with Canva to deliver even more functionality. Type Reshape into the search bar, which will bring up the Reshape application, an excellent tool for adjusting the form of your design. Open the Reshape application and import your downloaded text design. One of the first things you'll want to do is remove any existing text from the canvas to have a clean workspace for your PNG file. Now, add your text design back into the canvas by simply dragging and dropping the downloaded file. Next, we move into the fun part, manipulating the design using skew effects. By clicking on Skew, you can adjust how your text looks dynamically. Drag the side points to change the skewness until you achieve the desired perspective. This feature allows you to add depth or emphasis, effectively customizing your graphic to suit your style or the theme of your project. When you're satisfied with the results, save your new design. Congratulations, you've not only learned how to create a text graphic with Canva, but also modified it using additional tools for enhanced effect. This powerful combination of Canva's design features and reshape tools allows you to craft stunning visuals for personal projects, social media engagement, or professional branding efforts. Thank you for following along, and happy designing!